Hi, I'm Graham Simpson. I'm a BASI Level 4 ISTD ski teacher. Welcome to Skiing for Beginners. In this video, we're going to learn how to snowplough. So what is a snowplough? A snowplough is a wedge shape or a pizza shape that we make with the skis that slows the speed of descent down the hill. How do we get it? We push out the heels and bring the tips together. So we've got the wedge shape, and that's going to slow us down as we go down the hill. So to get into the snowplough, or the pizza shape, just push out your heels and bring your tips together. So we're at the top of the slope now, and we're just going to turn around the way we showed you before. Set yourself off down the hill, and then just push out the heels to control that speed of descent. This is also known as a snowplough glide. So to make the snowplough more effective, you can push out the heels into a bigger snowplough. You can also apply pressure to the skis by flexing down through the feet and bring us to a snowplough stop. So in this video, we learned how to get into the snowplough or pizza shape. We learned how to snowplough glide and get a more effective snowplough stop. In the next video, we're going to go into snowplough turning.